This is not agriculture. This is an industrial rice processing system. Rice production begins with data, not with material movement.
Planning, execution, control, and logistics are digitally integrated into one system.
Each rice batch is defined by SKU, quantity, energy targets, and quality constraints.
Physical processing starts only after system authorization is complete. In this facility, the system leads, rice follows. ERP converts rice demand forecasts into structured production orders.
MES distributes rice processing workloads across available production lines.
PLC and SCADA execute rice processing commands in real time.
Energy consumption is measured continuously per ton of rice processed.
Warehouse and material availability are prepared digitally in advance. Material routing decisions are made automatically by the system. Data feedback and machine response remain synchronized at all times.
This stable configuration defines the factory's operating baseline.
Raw rice enters this facility as an industrial input material.
Each incoming rice batch is inspected for moisture and impurities. Batch identification and quality status are assigned at intake. Only validated rice is released into the processing system. Pre-processing removes foreign materials before milling begins.
Metal and stone separation protects downstream equipment. Impurity rate and early yield loss are continuously monitored. Control parameters adjust automatically to minimize rice loss.
Uniform material flow stabilizes the entire rice processing line.
Early optimization reduces total energy demand.
Rice dehusking is performed under controlled mechanical conditions. Pressure and speed are continuously adjusted by control logic. Yield performance is evaluated in real time by batch. Whitening balances surface quality with energy efficiency. Thermal monitoring prevents excessive heat generation.
Energy consumption per ton of rice is optimized continuously.
Mechanical stability ensures consistent output quality. All process parameters remain within defined limits.
Optical sorting enforces rice quality standards. Vision systems identify defects at production speed. Non-conforming rice is automatically isolated from the main flow. Quality performance is quantified per batch.
P37 PLC adjusting rice sorter sensitivity dynamically without stopping material flow. Sorting sensitivity adapts without interrupting production. Only compliant rice continues downstream.
Rice packaging operates as a synchronized automated system.
Weight compliance is verified at line speed.
Each package receives batch date and traceability codes.
P42 ERP and MES synchronization overlay link directly to the rice packaging line. Digital records are synchronized with physical output.
Every unit is traceable to its production history.
Packaged rice moves forward under controlled flow. Automated palletizing eliminates manual variability.
Finished pallets are registered in the warehouse system.
P47 rice pallets entering warehouse zone via fixed conveyors aligned with storage lanes. VO logistics operations begin immediately after packaging.
Inventory status is visible in real time. Dispatch follows FIFO and FEFO control rules. Material handling is automated and predictable. High-density storage maximizes warehouse efficiency. The system is designed to scale with advanced automation.
Outbound distribution is triggered digitally. End-to-end flow stability is maintained.
P55 central performance dashboard showing rice processing OEE yield and energy consumption metrics. Overall performance is measured continuously.
Waste reduction is tracked over time. Lower energy per ton defines operational efficiency. System stability is the primary production outcome.
P59 final batch report locked in ERP and MES systems with confirmation status VO. Each batch leaves with a complete digital record.
This video is not about rice. It explains how an industrial rice processing system operates.